Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn chapter 2 angles. Students, in last standard means 5th standard, we learnt about 3 types of angles, that are acute angle, right angle and obtuse angle. We also learned how to draw them. In this standard, we learned more about angles and their types, and also about angle bisector, how to draw an angle bisector. First of all, let's recall. Look at the page number 6 in your book. Look at the angles shown in the pictures below. Here are some pictures. Identify the type of angle and write its name below the picture. So observe first picture. It's about clock. In this clock, you can see an angle is formed on both hands of clock. See here. Now we have to write here obtuse angle. Then the next picture is scissor. Scissor is given here, and look at this angle. When we dark this angle, an angle in scissor is right angle. And look at the peak of this bird. The angle is formed here is acute angle. Complete the following table. Here are 4 column table. In first column, the components of angles are given here. Name of angle, vertex of angle, arms of the angle. And in another 3 columns, we see there are figures of an angle, and we have to write the name of each figure, vertex of each figure, and also arms. So the first figure, look at the first figure, observe it. Name of the angle. What is the name of angle? Angle PYR, or we can write it as a angle Y. You learned all this in 5th standard. Vertex of the angle. Which is the vertex of angle? It's a Y. Just write here Y. Arms of the angles. Arms are these 2 arms, YR and YP. Right. Arm in bracket YR, comma YP, because it's a ray. Look here, and this is the origin of this ray. So we have to write here YR and YP. Now in next figure, the name of angle is angle LMN or angle M. Then the vertex is M, and arms of angles are arms ML and MN. Bracket complete. Now Observe this last figure. The name of angle is angle BOS, or you can also write SOV. BOS, and another type is angle O. Vertex is O, where the two arms join each one, then we can find a vertex there. Okay, so here is a vertex O. Arms are arms OB and OS. Draw this table in your book and notebook and solve it. Now, in this chapter, we'll learn more about angles and their types of angles. So let's learn about types of angles. So in this chapter we are going to learn about zero angle, second one is acute angle, more about acute angle in this standard. Third one is right angle, and fourth one is obtuse angle. We are familiar with these three angles. The fifth type of an angle is straight angle. Sixth one is reflex angle. And the last one is complete angle. Now, how many types of angles there are? 7 types of angles. So, let's learn about zero angle. What is the zero angle? The definition of zero angle is an angle which have measure exactly 0 degree is called zero angle. An angle which have measured exactly 0 degree is called zero angle. How zero angle looks? Look here. I draw tentative figures here. So I use only ruler and pencil. It looks like this, zero angle. It is called zero angle. The next point is acute angle. Next type is acute angle. An acute angle. So what is the definition of an acute angle? An angle which have measure an angle which have measure above 0 degree and below 90 degree is called an acute angle. So what's the important in acute angle? Its measure is above 0 degree and below 90 degree. You have to remember that. So how the acute angle looks? It looks just like this way. It looks like this, an acute angle. It's always, remember, it's always above 0 degree and below 90 degree. It's very important. The third type is right angle. What's the definition of right angle? An angle which have measure exactly 90 degree is called right angle. So right angle I have measured exactly 90 degree. Remember it. So how it's look? I draw a tentative figure here. It looks like just first of all I draw a box for figure and then I show you how right angle looks, because when we draw box around the figure it looks very good. Look here. It looks always like this. The next type of angle is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. This is the fourth type of angle, obtuse angle. What is the definition of obtuse angle? An angle which have measure above 90 degree and below 180 degree, or you can write here less than. Below 180 degree. Below means less than 180 degree is called an obtuse angle. Okay. So how obtuse angle look? It look like draw box. first draw base of an angle, and then we have to draw its another arm. It look like just okay. The next is straight angle. Straight angle. What is the definition of a straight angle? An angle What is the definition of straight angle? An angle which have measure exactly 180 degree is called straight angle. So the figure of straight angle it look like remember you should always use pencil for drawing figures. Don't draw figures with a pen. Straight angle is look like just. The next is reflex angle. Look, the sixth one is reflex angle. What is the definition of reflex angle? An angle. It's very easy to remember you the definitions. Because it have only the difference between their measurements. An angle which have measured you have to remember all these definitions which have measured above 180 degree and below 360 degree is called reflex angle. Recite all these types of angles definition. When you recite it, it's easy to us to solve next problem set. How it looks. It looks like this. Then last type of angle is complete angle. Complete angle. What is the definition of complete angle? It's very simple. Which have measure exactly 360 degree is called complete angle. How it looks. It looks like just zero angle, the figure of zero angle. It is the figure of complete angle. I show you how to make easy to remember all these type of angles. You have to make just like this. Here I write serial numbers, types of angles, measurement and angle look like. Make a chart like this and you can put it on your wall or in study room. Then it's easy to you to remember all these types of angles. Look, first I write here 1, 0 angle. It's exactly 0 degree, the measurement is, and how it looks. Acute angle above 0 degree but less than 90 degree. Its figure. Right angle exactly 90 degree and its figure. Obtuse angle above 90 degree but less than 180 degree, or you can write here also, write here below also. What you have sufficient, write it. And its figure. Straight angle exactly 180 degree and its figures. Reflex angle above 180 degree but below 360 degree. Its figures, how it looks. Complete angle exactly 360 degree and its figures. It's easy you to remember and identify all types of angles. So see you in next video. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.